Wenatchee River Institute is piloting a lottery system this year to offer more equitable access to our summer day camps. Since this is a new system, we wanted to provide a quick overview of the system, some expectations, how to fill out the form, and a preview of the lottery form. I recommend starting on the WRI Summer Camps website. We've got this big section on planning for summer of 2023 with more information about the lottery system. The bottom of this page also has the summer camp schedule, so you can check that out before you go in to fill out the lottery form. Some of the key dates on this: the lottery form is available starting March 1st at noon, and it's open through March 12th at 11:59 p.m. All forms filled out during that time window will be treated equally. There's not preference for filling out the form on March 1st versus March 12th. You will be notified of lottery results by March 17th. You will still need to register for the spot in camp that you're offered through the lottery. So that email that you get by March 17th will also include a link to registration, and you will have until March 27th to register your camper for the spot that they are offered through the lottery. Campers will be offered up to 1 week of camp through the results of the lottery. And if there are spots remaining in camp after that, those registrations will be open on the evening of March 27th. At that point, anyone is welcome to register for more spots in camps. Entering the lottery does not guarantee a spot in camp, but we are really hopeful that everyone who enters the lottery will get a spot in camp this summer. We encourage you to rank multiple camp options in the lottery to increase the likelihood of getting a spot in camp. A lot of these details and more information are written out if you can continue to scroll through this page. And then you also get down to the calendar that has all of our upcoming camps, so you can look at those before you move on. The lottery form will also be linked on this page. The lottery form will look like this: WRI Summer Day Camp Lottery. You start the form. You start by entering your own name, as well as your mailing address. When you enter your email address, please make sure you're entering the address where you will be looking for camp registration information. That is the primary way that we will communicate lottery results to you. Enter your phone number as well. Enter your camper name so we know who we're registering this camper for. And then all of our camps are organized by grade, so enter the grade of the camper that you're filling out this form for. I'll say this is a 2nd grade test camper. We know a lot of families are wanting to register siblings for the same week in camp, and we want to do our best to accommodate that need. So when you get to this question and you are trying to register for siblings, please let us know. And if you're hoping to register a sibling, enter their name in the next question, so we will be looking for which registrations to pair together as we are filling out the lottery. You will need to fill out a separate lottery entry form for each camper that you are trying to register. In this next section, you will rank your camp choices. Camps are divided by what grades those campers are in. So this first section is for campers entering 1st through 3rd grades in the 2023-2024 school year. The camper I'm filling out this form for is entering 2nd grade, so I will only fill out this camp section. I will go through and rank my choices. Remember, ranking as many choices as fit your schedule will increase the likelihood that your camper does get a spot in camp. So I will say my first choice is Soil to Snack. My second choice is Kids in the Wild. My third choice is Amazing Artists. My fourth choice is Cool Critters, and we are not available for Forest Friends Camp, we'll say, so I will leave my fifth choice blank. Because this form is for one camper, I'm going to skip the next two sections, so no need to fill out for a 4th, 5th, or 6th grade camper or a middle school camper. There's also a section on here for any feedback. WRI wants to serve our community in the best way possible, and this is a chance for you to give us any feedback if you have any. Got the form filled out, I will click submit. And this is your screen that shows you your lottery form has been submitted. This system is not able to send you an email with your lottery entry. So if you would like to get a copy of your answers, please click to print or get a PDF of all answers here. And that'll be your best way for you to track what you entered in the system. If you are filling this out for another camper, you can submit another response and go in here. So on my form, for example, I said I had a second sibling that I wanted to register. I would go through and fill out that form for them. After that, keep an eye out for an email from WRI by March 17th with your lottery results. And if you have other questions about the system, please feel free to reach out to us. Our contact information is on the Youth Camps website. Thanks.